What's going on, you guys? Random Vince here. Yeah, it's been a while. This is a spur of the moment video. I've been trying to plan it out more, but yeah, right now we're outside. It literally looks like it wants to rain. I think we got a 60% chance in about an hour. So I got 2 egg and cheese tacos. Got some Louisiana hot sauce. This is the best stuff you could get, I'm not gonna lie. Let's lace it up. I'm telling you, salty, perfect. It's good. You hear the baby chickens? Yeah, it's been a while. I mean, I'll make a video explaining that in the future, but I don't know. Life, things happen, you know. Oh, it's so beautiful outside right now. It's at 70-something degrees. There's like 4 water bottles here. 3. Water. It is currently, let me check, 1:57 Central Time. Let's lace it up again. Ooh, sexy. Doesn't look too appealing, but it tastes really good. My hands look dirty. It's because I was painting yesterday. And I was trying to channel my inner Bob Ross. It didn't work out. It's crazy because there's chickens there and I'm eating eggs. Amazing weather. Cheese egg taco. There's a bit down there, or a lot. Down the hatchet. Good start to the day or afternoon. Water. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's some hydro right there. That's some hydrating water. Good stuff. All right, Random Vids out. See you later.